share this window. Is it? These are student halls, right? These are where the students reside. It's a college over there. But that window, what does that explain to you? Does he just love bottles, empty bottles, or he's just experimenting different types of alcohol from around the world? Is he studying about alcohol? You know, you can't conclude your silly ideas by just observing a window like this. It's very interesting to speak to the student or the person who's actually in this property. There's a whole lot of alcohol, different variable alcohols of all different prices, all different strengths, and it's really interesting for me. As my eyes, I can see everything, but I don't conclude anything. I'm just putting this out. Here I am, Georgetown. If you're one of the residents, particularly this place, I would love to hear from you, because it is incredibly intriguing for me to pause, turn my head, and know the reason behind for all these bottles. At least they're empty. Were they full when you actually first got your hands on, or did you work at a bar, or do you study about alcohol and the effects of alcohol on human body and human mind and human consciousness and human faculties? Or what is it? What is it that brought you to display this whole selection of empty bottles? It's intriguing, absolutely intriguing for me to find out your stream of studies, because are you a experimental drinker, or are you an experimental alcoholic? Are you on some sort of a case study, or whoever you are, just contact me, because it's interesting to know your intentions to display the empty bottles. Well, I've said enough. Let's find out. People might be thinking, you're an idiot. Why are you filming empty bottles on a windowsill? No, I'm interested to know why you've got all these display bottles.